confessional, and people really find that it's a safe place for them to talk about things that maybe they don't really want to have their name associated with. So it's a top 20 social network. I really can't talk much about total number of users, but I can say that we have many, many millions of users and billions of Whisper views per month. So we're talking about the story of Whisper, and so this is going to be technical to some extent, and I'm going to assume there's a bit of knowledge about Erlang, but I'm not going to assume that you are sold on using Erlang for your project. So think of it as I'm assuming you don't have a lot of knowledge. I'll talk through some things. I won't assume you'll understand everything, but I can maybe talk a bit above the level of your Erlang understanding. That way you can come back later and watch it and sort of put the pieces together. So we're going to talk about the story of Whisper in sort of 5 snapshots. We're going to cover the story of Whisper, why we chose Erlang OTP, why we chose how we use distributed Erlang, some of the tools that makes Erlang great, and then sort of a brief note on training and hiring Erlang developers. And this is from my perspective as somebody who has built a consulting company and somebody who is running a technical team as well. So so let's go from there. So I think the first part of the story is sort of like, why did we use Erlang versus something else? So just to recap sort of what we did, we started in the beginning of 2012. We had 2 client developers, 2 server developers. We went from end to end 3 months. And our founders are not what they would consider technical co-founders. In other words, they were not coming to the table saying, hey, we're going to help code on this project. They were expecting